Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at the popular Lost Key community out in Pensacola, Perdido Key area, and I cannot wait to show you guys 6620 Carlinga Drive. It is beautiful in here. You've got 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. And guys, if you haven't heard of Lost Key, you are definitely about to, because the amenities in this community are just unbelievable. So it sells itself 100%. So upon walking in, you can see the flooring here is actually wood look tile. So that makes for easy cleanups when it comes to sand coming off the beach. And we are gonna go to the right first, and this is gonna be our first full bathroom. It is gonna be a single vanity with quartz countertops. You've got your stainless steel hardware, and then you also have some wonderful vanity lighting. And shifting over, this one is going to be a tub shower duo. Gorgeous floor to ceiling tiling and detail work. So this is wonderful. This is actually going to be your only tub and shower duo. All other 3 bathrooms are going to be gorgeous walk-in showers, which we'll see later. And then this is going to be our first bedroom of the unit. So you've got 2 split windows here. We do have some luxury vinyl flooring when it comes to our bedroom setup. So beautiful. And then these sliding closet double doors, lots of space in those closets, and I'll show you the slide here. Gorgeous space. Wait till you see the primary closet, of course, wonderful. And then we are going to come off that little wing and go into the main living space of this little townhome. Not little, but nice sized townhome here. So this is going to be an open floor plan for your formal dining area. You've got your entertainment center, and then a gorgeous kitchen with this extra large island. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. Quartz countertops that match throughout with all the bathrooms. This undermount sink. You've got your dishwasher right next to it for convenience. All of this storage is so beautiful. Same stainless steel hardware as we saw in the bathrooms. Smooth stovetop electric oven with that built-in microwave and vent hood. And then, of course, you've got your refrigerator with your double doors there, ice maker, water dispenser, and your freezer is that pull-out drawer right there. So beautiful, beautiful open space here. And then you also have a little balcony, which I'll open up for you guys. So here we are with your balcony view. This is a screened in balcony, so you don't have to worry about those mosquitoes come summertime or the no-see-ums that are a nuisance right on the water here. But wonderful space. The ceiling fan is out here for just a little bit more comfort. And then as you can see, you are backed up to the golf course, and then you have a little man-made reservoir right there as well. And that is just one of the many amenities you get in this home. So this is a 2018 build. So your roof is 2018, your HVAC, your water heater, all 2018, so fairly brand new. So you don't have to worry about any maintenance or replacing issues there, which is fantastic. You also in Lost Key have a private beach access that is going to have a beach cabana with a restaurant, a full service bar, and of course they have chairs for Lost Key members only, and those get full service food and beverage as well on the beach. So that's just wonderful. This neighborhood also has 2 pools, one at your beach cabana on the Gulf side and another one here in the neighborhood splash pad for the kids. It's fantastic. So this is going to be our second bedroom. As you saw, we just went up the stairs, so everything else is on the second floor. Here is your bathroom. Mimicking the same one, you've got a single vanity, matching quartz countertops, lovely lighting there. The only difference, like I mentioned previously, is you are going to have a standalone shower only, but still keeping with the same theme of that floor to ceiling tile. Gorgeous. And as you can see, the LVP is in the bedroom, but then when we get to the bathrooms, we've got that wood look tile that you saw in the main living space of the bottom floor. Same closet layout here. It looks like this one seems to be a little deeper, but I love the closet sliding doors. It's beautiful. All right, and across the way, this is gonna be the primary suite right here. Gorgeous. Lots of windows, lots of natural lighting. Again, same luxury vinyl throughout except for the bathrooms, which is that wood look tile. You do have a street view from this window and then a street view from that window. Coming across the way, we do have a walk-in closet. Massive walk-in closet here. You could do so much with this. Tons and tons of space. We love to see it. And then of course, the primary bedroom and bath. There we go. Double vanity here. Lovely lighting with a massive mirror. You do get a window in here, so still enjoying the natural light of that Florida sun, keeping the same theme with that floor to ceiling tile, but a huge walk-in shower here. And then you also get your separate water closet as well, so you can close that door and have a bit of privacy while you're getting ready. Everything is very uniform, but I think that it makes for a gorgeous unit. All right, and then ending up at the end of the hallway, just outside of the primary, you do have your washer dryer, which is going to convey with the unit. The unit is being sold fully furnished. And then this is going to be bedroom number 4. Same look. I mean, I love that. Look how pretty that is. Love that. Same closet concept with the sliding doors. And then again, back to our single vanity tile wood look floors, and then your standalone shower. Beautiful, beautiful. So not only with the beach cabana and the other swimming pool in this community, you also are on a golf course, so the Lost Key golf course, which is beautiful. It has amazing greens. I love to play there. It's a wonderful course itself. This is a golf cart friendly neighborhood. And what's great about the beach cabana, because you will have to cross a road to get there, obviously. You can take your golf cart. They have golf cart park stations there, but there is also a seasonal shuttle that will run from the neighborhood and bring you over to the beach club, which is fantastic. So here we are in the garage. As you can see, these are wood slotted, but also have screens on them. So it's a screened in garage with those slots in the wood. Obviously for ventilation, we get lots of humidity here. There's your garage door. This is large enough to fit 2 cars in here if you have a kit car that you like to keep, or if you don't mind shuffling cars. But this is the main coup de grace here. The golf cart does convey. So with this unit, you get the golf cart. It is a jam up golf cart. Look at the leathering on these seats. I mean, that has got to be custom or at least an upgraded package. But the golf cart does convey. You are going to get this with the purchase of the property. Again, this is a heavily golf cart community, so having one is almost a necessity when it comes to getting around places. And then just outside of the garage here, you have a little gravel area. There is a barbecue pit out here, which you could absolutely keep if you wanted to, as a barbecue area if you wanted to put one in. And then there you go. There's your little reservoir. And it's open for the neighbors too. So here we are there. You can get creative with something outside. Maybe put in an outdoor shower or whatever best fits your needs. And then here you've got some extra storage off to the side. As you can see, we've got pool toys, bikes, beach chairs. You can use this to your liking. And then it does come with a sliding door. So this massive wood piece right here will slide and lock closed. Owner's closet down here as well. Take you guys back upstairs. Again, this is a 4-4. We're in the Lost Key community at 6620 Carlinga Drive. This neighborhood has everything you could ever imagine. Fitness center, tennis courts. It is just gorgeous here.